Hey there, welcome to our video on boosting your focus and increasing productivity. In today's fast-paced world, it can be hard to stay focused on one task for an extended period of time. But don't worry, we're here to help. We'll be sharing some proven tips and tricks for increasing focus and getting more done in less time. Tip number 1, set specific goals. One of the most effective ways to increase focus is to set specific, measurable goals for yourself. This will give you something concrete to work towards and help you stay motivated. Tip number 2, eliminate distractions. Another key to increasing focus is to eliminate distractions. This can be as simple as closing unnecessary tabs on your computer or turning off your phone. Before we move to tip number 3, make sure to click that like and subscribe button for more videos to improve your daily life. Tip number 3, take breaks. While it may seem counterintuitive, taking breaks can actually help increase focus. Studies have shown that taking short breaks every hour or so can help refresh the mind and improve productivity. Tip number 4, practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can also help increase focus. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and paying attention to your thoughts and feelings. This can help you stay focused on the task at hand and reduce the chances of getting distracted. Tip number 5, get enough sleep. Finally, make sure you're getting enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for maintaining focus and concentration, so make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. So, there you have it, 5 tips for increasing focus and boosting productivity. Remember, it takes time and practice to improve focus, but by setting specific goals, eliminating distractions, taking breaks, practicing mindfulness, and getting enough sleep, you'll be well on your way to a more focused and productive life. Let us know in the comments below what are the things that you practice to increase your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tricks.